Hello, good morning. It's what's the date today?
Monday.
Monday, December 23.
Hmm.
2 days before Christmas. And wow, I don't know. I don't know what to say.
We're going to the grocery to buy food for the Noche Buena.
Too bad. Yeah. Some of us now in the Philippines are preparing and cooking for their Noche Buena. It's December 24 in the Philippines now. Hi, family. Hi, friends. And hi din sa mga hindi namin kilala for watching this video. We wish you a Merry Christmas and Happy Christmas. Be safe, have fun, and enjoy, and happy eating. For us, we will be going to do some groceries for our...
Because you're working tomorrow.
Yeah, because I'm working tomorrow. So we're gonna buy all the things that we need for tomorrow for our Noche Buena. So we're going to Nijia Market. It's a Japanese grocery, sushi, and deli. So, dyan kami bibili ng mga pang Noche Buena namin. On the 24th, today is December 23, 2024. So tomorrow will be the Christmas Eve. So we're buying it today because it's gonna be busy day tomorrow. So we're planning to have a yakiniku, yakisoba, miso soup. Hi, bossing. We're looking for sauce for the yakiniku.
Ito atong pinaginapalit pa minsan.
I think money atong palit.
So we should buy this one then?
Yeah.
Sarah?
So nato nakoy dana na to katong kuan.
Shabu-shabu man na.
Shabu-shabu na. Oh, okay, that was for shabu-shabu. I think that's
Yakiniku.
yeah, kanina lang. So we got this one for our yakiniku. Happy place. That's the tongue?
Mm-hmm.
Lingua? Oh, good. That's good.
It's just one. Okay.
Yeah. So for yakiniku. Neat.
Oh, they now have a set, this one. For the soup, maybe on New Year's.
Yeah. Wow, ang sarap niyan. Yeah. This one? Lami na siya?
Oh, bitane?
Amo na siya? Okay.
Isa lang.
Yeah, usa. Yes, yakiniku
Just
na
one
now.
because it's very expensive. Basta anim. Yeah, that's it na now.
Yeah. Money lang meat for shabu-shabu and yakiniku. This is all they got. Oh my god. Their food is so good. Yeah. Your food is so good. Maybe we'll get one sushi. You want some sushi? No. I'll do the yakisoba. Yes, my favorite. And then we're doing the kimchi rice, yakisoba. Thank you, Lala.
Where's your card?
There. My God, I love this place. My favorite yakisoba. What do you have? Oh, let's try that one. We miss it. Economiyaki. Been a while. Got that one. They got edamame, but we're not getting it.
Dara. Mahala na oy.
What is it?
Katong Yoshinoya.
Yoshinoya? Oh yeah, Yoshinoya. I will just go to the store. We're trying their shopao too.
Yeah. Charsu.
Yeah.
Charsu. I cannot say it properly anymore. Napo imported
We're
naman.
looking for miso soup. That's all we get.
Barato. I'm looking
Okay.
for the barato.
Miso soup.
I need for it kasi
Oh, they got all the noodles over here. This is what we like. Gosh, you have a lot of noodles over here. So we're getting this roasted seaweed. Masarap to.
right. We're leaving Nigeria. We're going to Whole Foods for something American this time.
It's kind of gloomy, huh?
Yeah. It's supposed to rain. Hello
Oh,
again.
we're going to Whole Foods to buy cakes and fruits.
Something American.
Something American. Yeah, we love Americans. There's a Whole Foods.
Americans what? We love Americans or American
American
food?
food. I'm sorry. American food. Cherries and grapes. We'll get some grapes. It's $3.99. We're getting the lemon. It's so fresh. You got apple. Apple, Fuji's 2.49. Maybe we'll just get two.
Have like regular,
Yeah,
do you
we're
know?
gonna get lettuce.
That's the other
It,
side.
to wrap our meat for the yakiniku.
Yeah, yeah, you're right. Thank you.
It's good. So we're getting the asparagus also. We love this one. We just bake it and put some olive oil, salt, and pepper. Wow, that's a good one. Mushroom is, yeah, we'll get it for New Year.
Nga na may
The
set,
shabu
katong
shabu.
set para di ta
The set.
mag-pusik.
Okay.
Because
So we're getting the strawberry. It's 4.99. Oh, Dungeness crab. This is our favorite crab. It's a local crabs here in San Francisco. This is very good and very delicious. Lamia. So we found our both favorites, pecan pie and berry. Compromise, half and half. Instead of buying the whole pecan pie and whole berry, we'll compromise half and half. Yay! Ito yung mga nabili namin sa Nigeria. Ito naman mga fruits at saka vegetables sa Whole Foods. Itong yakiniko para bukas namin.
Thank you all for watching this here video. Please like and subscribe and follow. Much love from little Yas to each of you. Content creator.